In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk pin on Pinterest desktop. We'll walk through a quick, reliable workflow on a desktop browser that lets you upload multiple images at once and package them into a single scrollable carousel-style pin. Make sure you're signed into your Pinterest business account and have your images ready in a folder for easy access. Start by heading to the Pinterest Business Hub. From the Pinterest home screen on desktop, look toward the top left and click Business Hub. This takes you into the business view where you'll find tools designed for creators and advertisers. In the hub, locate the paid section. Even if you're not planning to run an ad, this path opens the pin builder that supports bulk uploads and carousel creation, which is exactly what we need. Next, choose Create Pin for Ad. This opens the builder interface. Here, drag and drop multiple image files into the upload area or click to browse and select them. For best results, use high-quality vertical images in a 2:3 ratio. Think 1000 by 1500 pixels, so your pins look crisp and consistent. Once your files are in, select Create a Carousel. This stitches the uploaded images into one multi-card pin that people can swipe through. You'll see a preview of the cards, which helps you confirm everything looks aligned before finalizing. When you're happy with the selection, click Create Pin. Now, add the details that help your pin perform. Enter a clear, keyword-rich title that tells people exactly what they'll get. Avoid clickbait and aim for concise clarity so the intent is obvious at a glance. Add alt text for accessibility. Describe what's in the images and the purpose of the content so screen reader users can follow along. This also adds helpful context that can improve discoverability. Use the same text and URL for each image. Keeping your copy consistent across the carousel cards avoids confusion and ensures every card points to the same destination, which is ideal for product collections, tutorials, or lookbooks. Make sure the link matches the promise of your pin to maintain trust and eligibility. If any of your visuals were edited or generated with AI, click mark as AI modified. This disclosure keeps you compliant with platform policies and builds credibility with your audience. When everything looks good, click Publish. Pinterest will process your upload and make your multi-image carousel pin available shortly. That's it. Bulk pinning on desktop done smoothly and professionally.